All right, this is for dicing a carrot where you're really concerned about having nice, even, consistent little squares. It's a little wasteful, but you can save that, put it in a stock, use it for something else. So first thing we do, we take the ends off. Then we cut it into sections where they're basically the same diameters, about right here. Now we turn this round into a square. Cut one side off, rotate it so we have a nice flat surface. Cut that side off, rotate again, cut that side off, and then cut that side off. Hopefully it's pretty square. If it's not square, just trim it, square it up a little bit, get it as square as you can. Same thing over here. Cut that side off, rotate it, cut that side off, get it as square as you can. If you're not square, trim it down a little bit. Try and make it square. Remember, all this isn't wasted. You're going to put that in stock. Now, we're going to cut it into little slabs. Keep them the same size. Consistency is the key here. The more consistent you are, the more evenly it'll cook, and the more impressed everybody will be when they see all your little squares. All right, so now we have little planks. Now we're going to cut it to julienne. Saying we want to make these the same size cuts as we did before. That way everything stays nice and square. So now we have a bunch of juliennes. Same thing with the other half. And this side's not quite full, so I'm just going to trim it up, and now it's about even. Save that, put that in my chicken stock. Now we have all these nice little juliennes. So now you can go ahead and dice them. Keep it all the same size as much as you can. And then if you come out with uneven sizes at the end, those uneven pieces go in your chicken stock. Oops. There we go. Finely diced carrot.